If you're confused about technology, there's a nerd you need to see, Beth Z TV.
Hello, folks. It is Beth Z, your nerdy best friend, coming to you via cartoon because it is not a good hair day. But I had to tell you about this and I had to show you how it works. One of my all-time favorite video tools is called Lumen5. It takes text, uses artificial intelligence, and turns it into a video, like a BuzzFeed style video, and it is free for a year if you sign up by the end of the month. And I had to tell you all about it. Here I have a blog post and it's got basically two main tools in it and some text. So I'll see what happens. I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to go back to Lumen5 and I'm going to click new video. This time I will do a different style. Let's go here. Let's go here. 5 ways to save more money. This will be a listicle. Maybe it'll give us a better setup. I will do the news feed. Style, so it's more of a 16:9. And then I'm going to paste this into here and I'm going to import it. It's going to take a couple of minutes. And then I'm going to let it select the best sentences and see what it does. Who knows? It's generating it. Takes a couple of seconds. Here we go. Okay, it is about done. For whatever reason, it didn't give me the right title. Sometimes things get weird. So I'm going to come here and change this title and take that off because I don't know why that would be on there. And it says road trip apps save time and money. So now we need some video for road trip that's better. Let's see. So I just need to fix this first slide. So we'll do that one. And it's free. All right, let me then, it didn't pick any music either, so I'm going to go ahead and pick some music. Here's one calling Take the Wheel. That's bad. All right, I don't know. Can you see the color? That's weird. Let's see, spin up. Sure. All right, now let's preview it. That's fun. All right, so I can fine tune this and make it better rather than there we go, couple of minutes. That's all it took. I can resize it, I can share it, I can do whatever I need to with it. And then I can also do an outro. My outro would be something like, you know, your nerdy best friend or something like that. I can have my logo in there and make it really quick. That's it. This is free. You can get it now. You can use it free for a whole year. I use it all the time. I hope you enjoy it. This is your nerdy best friend saying,
if you're confused about technology, there's a nerd you need to see, Beth Z TV.